the last issue, we explain, using a tablet as a control screen for a 3D printer, but it sits flat on the tabletop like this. The operation is very inconvenient. So, this issue explains how to design a bracket for a tablet. So let's first come up with a rough idea like this. Identify the key dimensions, and measure the dimensions required for the design. Developing design thinking is more important than learning to model. Then open the 3D modeling software. You just need to draw a sketch of the solution just now. Then use the stretchbox command. Then, open the newly designed model with slicing software. Copy the slice program to the memory card. Insert the 3D printer and open it. Start printing. Wait a moment. Printing completed in 2 hours. Is it very nice? Did you learn it?